Hi friends, on request of so many people on the groups, so today I am doing this video to show how I did the tiles parts. So to make a 6" by 6" by 1 feet height, you need 3 tiles. So if you want to do 2, then you will need 5 tiles. So for doing 1, you will need 3. So today I will show you have to cut 2 tiles into equal halves. So this is 12 inches pot, like 5 mm it's less for 12 inches. So you have to mark it. And if you are using these pots for to keep it in the hot sun, then I would suggest you to take some tiles with white colors, not with dark colors, because white will resist the heat and black will increase the heat. And the third tile, you shouldn't cut it into half. You have to keep 10 mm extra, because I'll explain you that later when I'm joining the tiles. So you have to keep it extra. So this is the marking is done. So now you have to cut it. After marking, you need to cut this. For cutting, you can take any sharp objects. Here I am using this laminate cutter. The laminates are also cut in the same way. You have to do the marking first. Why I am using these brushes, this is like plastic object and then it won't damage the tiles. So now the marking on the tiles is done. So you can see there's a small groove here. Keep it exactly below the line where you have made a scratch, where you have made a small groove. You keep it exactly and put the force on both the sides. The tiles into exactly straight line. So now what happens? The tile will come exactly like this. So if you equally half it into this, then you can just join it here. And yeah, so I told you to do 10 mm extra, right? So that the tiles will sit like this exactly. So there's no extra less space or more space. See? If you see, there's exactly fitting. So there's a space for another tiles also here. Make sure you have a good groove here, because these lines are there, the horizontal line. What happens if you make a small marking, it might go cross. Now we'll make a hole for the water drain. So we will have to like make a tiles little wide so that the drill will happen, the hole will happen easily. So do not drill it straight away like this because it won't stand. It will, you keep like doing the rotations there. So keep the gun cross and then do it. We have a nice hole now. So I'll keep this for drying for some time and then we'll start joining the tiles. So before the tiles dries up, we'll make a stand for it in the bottom so that when this one it sits like this, so there should be a gap for the water to go. Because the drain won't happen. Clean the surface. And I have 4 pieces of waste tiles. I have made it into small square. So you can have like collect or break one of the tiles and make small pieces. And now we will add it. So put little silicone here. Now we will stick this. So don't put it to the full edge. So leave some like 5 mm gap and then press it. So do it the same way on all the sides. So that the side edges are not seen outside of this pieces. Just for that we have to keep it liquid. And leave it for drying. It might take some 20 minutes to half an hour to dry. And later we will fix the sides. Okay. Now this is like 60% dried. So we'll start to stick the other sides of the top portion. So first we have to arrange it like this. So that it will be easy. Okay. So So wherever you feel the silicone is less, you can add some extra silicone. Okay, now the pot is ready. We'll keep it for drying. Different designs what I've tried, different shapes and different sizes. So this is one, and this is 9" by 8", and this is a square 9" by 9". And these are the ones what I've made now, like showed you. And this is one special for tulsi plant. As you can see here, tulsi, it's growing nice. You can try different sizes according to your choice and the place what you have. This is the final output.